Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Volvo XC60. Good tow car this, 2.4 D4 SE Lux, 4-wheel drive, Euro 6 start-stop, with a tow bar, with a manual gearbox. White with off black leather. Okay, 97,000 miles, serviced at 12, 26, 33, 40, 55, 79, 85 and 89,000 miles. Lovely thing this. I think it's just been serviced again actually. I think it's had 9 services. MOT till the 16th of the 10th, 26. £8,995. Lot of lovely car for that. Got heated seats as well. So 2.4 proper engine with a tow bar, with a manual gearbox. Lovely, lovely. I mean, the bodywork and the interior, just, you know, it's been a well looked after car. Privacy glass, rear park sensors, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, electric driver's seat. Real nice thing. Alloy wheels are in nice condition with good tyres. Paintwork, well, it's lovely. Not stone chipped, dented, scratched, no scuffs. Just a real original lovely car. Inside, I think we've got fitted mats at work. I think they're just having a clean off. But as you can see, lovely condition. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats, manual. Lovely and clean. Just as clean in the back, not tatty in any way. Just a well looked, well cared for thing. No scuffs or marks on the rear bumper. Just a very, very, very clean car. Power tailgate. Load covers in there. Again, no dogs, nice and clean. Press the button. This side, again, paintwork, bodywork, very, very, very nice. Alloy wheels, nice condition. Lots of tread on the tyres. No bumper scuffs. Stone chips, no scuffs on the mirrors. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows. Yes, electric memory driver's seat. Leather on the driver's seat in nice condition. Steering wheel, very nice. And as I say, down there, heated seats which work. £8,995, manual, 2.4 with a tow bar, great service history, 9 services, £8,995. Won't be here long. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. More Volvo XC60s on there. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be lots of Volvo XC60s to look at. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.